this is me Rahini, and today I am going to make some terracotta candles for my mom. Since she loves candles, let's see how it turns out. I am using the Toykraftt DIY candle making kit. You can make 6 reusable terracotta candles. There are personalized DIY candles that light up to display your art and craft skills. This kit includes 6 terracotta pots, paraffin wax, candle wicks, acrylic paint, 6 tempera paints, paintbrush, and the instruction manual. You need to decide on the design which you would like to paint. Lightly pencil it on the terracotta pots. Use the tempera paints to give color to the terracotta containers. When lit, the colorful pots look outstanding. They can then be filled with molten gel wax, taking care not to submerge the candle wicks. The best part is that they can be reused by filling them again with wax. The pretty candle jars can be lit up for any festive or special occasion. I'm so happy by the way it turned out, and I hope my mom will love it too. Isn't it a great gifting option?